Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Adina Hayatri from Class C Economic Education, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Jember. Here I want to describe to resolving workplace conflict. So many conflict in life are caused by a lack of poor communication and the workplace in it no difference, misunderstanding, cannot mindset, and passive aggressive behavior all contribute to the following workplace conflict. 1. Interdependent or task-based conflict. These agreements are reached in the situation when individuals in an interdependent project network must coordinate their tasks so that everyone can successfully get their part done. For the example, any accountant cannot do their job all the numbers. If an employer is consultantly late with their reports, if it affects the accountant's ability to finish up and make deadlines. The solution is delegate tasks effectively communicated with the team the importance of responsibility and accountability. Clarification what everyone should be doing in their role is so they are all on the same page when deadlines approach. 2. Leadership conflict. Everybody has a different leadership style and everybody react differently to choose leadership style. Some leaders are bold and charismatic. Others are more laid back, warm and intimidating. Some are highly technical and strict on the rules and deadlines. And then others are also hands-off, your friendly see them. To solve potential conflict, you should emphasize mutual respect of difference throughout to that company. Also, leaders should be aware of their own leadership style and how they interact with the work in the work style and personalities of people on their style and team. They should be able to adjust and correct with their employers to no matter their leadership perfect. Again, we are all different. It's not something we can escape. 3. Work style conflict. Just as there are different leadership style, there are different work style. Some people prefer to work in group while others do their best work alone. Some people need no extra to direction or to complete a task with while others like external input and direction every step of the way. Some people get more work done under pressure and others like to look their tasks out early. The same idea of mutual respect and understanding applies here as well as throughout to all workplace conflict and many interaction involving other people. we may prefer a particular work style, but sometimes in groups, teams must to collaborate is to come up with an idea greater than one mind could think up alone, meaning they have to learn to the ideal to the deal with each other difference. For personality based conflict. Say if with me again, we are all different. We're not always going to the everyone with me we meet, and it's not easy to work with someone whose personality we find directly full. It's helpful to remember that we perceive someone to be is not exactly what they actuality are. This characteristic back to the themes of empathy and understanding. Don't let with your sin define everything you'll think about someone in the future. It's all about the story you tell. Imagine someone cut you off the highway. You probably he thinking about how there are roads. Brand Lister, now image your life for work, or you're talking your sick child to the doctor, or that you have to go to the bathroom immediately, and you end up out getting someone of while driving. You know the justification behind your action, but the person you cut off is sitting there thinking you're a rude Lister. 5. Discrimination. This is where workplace conflict get more seriously, and where human resources have to get involved. It's their harassment or discriminate going on due to age, race, ethnically, gender, or what you have. There's serious need for the company to explicitly emphasize open mindset and acceptance and understanding. We can all learn to conflict. 6. Creative ID conflict. Conflict when it comes to ID behaviorism is actually an excellent opportunity to make it's not only important to get together and talk, is important to get together and listen. Tap into your empathy and have a dialogue with each other. Do effort it. Have a sit down somewhere and make sure both of you have a chance to say everything you need to say. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. Really listen to the other person. Be attention to their work and try to think now they think and feel now they feel. Ask a question to make sure you understanding what they mean to say and not just what you thought they were saying. Activity listening is critically important to the conflict resolution. We all like to feel like we're being heard. Self-reflectly and resolve conflict. Like attitude find sign in Harper's Let's Kill a Mockingbird. If you can learn a simple trick, you give along a lot better with all kinds of fault. You never really understand a person until you consider things from this point of view, until you climb to his skin and wear around in it. Self-reaction self-reaction on both sides of the situation is hard to see from the other person point of view and help you to understand what they're thinking and feeling so you can respond the conflict. Focus on where you agree and not so much so where you disagree. Be forgiving. We are all very human. We make mistakes and mistake situation as well as have empathy for each other. We can resolve conflict and help build each other to better people. Need help reversing conflict at work? You can reduce workplace conflict through casting, consulting, and leadership development training. You can also work to reduce conflict by properly filtering the right talent, and then let at least staffing do the bang for you so that you can focus energy on developing your team. Connect to us today to start the conversation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.